Rookie Repairs back at it again. Today what we're gonna do is try to clean this right here. That small stain. This one right here. Those two stains right there. Alright, let's go to check the front seats. Alright, here's the second row. Trying to get this piece right here. There's more stains right here. Alright, let's check the back ones. It's a pretty big stain right there. This one doesn't look as bad. A couple of stains back there. Alright, let's move to the front. Alright, this doesn't look bad at all. See right there. That small section right there. Let's move to the driver's side. You gotta move that mat. Alright, so this doesn't look bad as well. It's this side right here. This corner. Alright. Alright, so I'm just gonna use my brush, scrape down there. Alright, so I just use a little bit of soap and warm water. I'm gonna scrape right there right now. I'm not even going in full detail, just I'm gonna try to get the stains only, that's it. As you can see already, there's a big improvement. Same thing, just scrubbing. Right there. the water. Just look at that. Nasty. Alright, so let's check it out. Hopefully I didn't damage any nails as I was cleaning the car. Alright, let's check out the front seat. I don't know where that came from. Alright, so as I mentioned, I didn't want to go in great detail. As you can see, it's much better compared to how it was. Alright, let's check out the back. Alright, so there you have it. It's much better now. So I didn't get the driver's side because I know that it gets dirty all the time. Let's check the passenger side. Alright, so there you have it. Stains are gone. Alright guys, so there you guys have it. So yeah, as I mentioned earlier, I didn't want to go in great detail. I just wanted to get the big stains out. Alright, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Give it a like, and don't forget to share it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, thank you for watching. I'm not catching the next one.